Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Left or Right, that's the title of the song by Charlie Puth and featuring Jung Kook. Jung Kook from the infamous and small little group called BTS with like 250 billions of followers on everywhere, kind of. So yeah, this is a collaboration, Charlie and Jung. And this one is mainly about 3 chords, but we will need 6 to really cover the whole song here. But yeah, let's start this right away. No need for any capo on this one. And we'll start with the first 3 main chords. And the first one will be D. All right, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. All right. The next chord will be B minor. So you need a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings from bottom up. And the rest will be 4th on D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the 3rd chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Like I said, these 3 chords are the main chords, like 90% of this song. But then we have a bridge part, and to play that one we need another 3 chords. So the first one of those is the F sharp minor, okay? So I put a bar on the 2nd fret, again this time all strings. And the rest will be 4th on A and 4th on D. Next one is the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord will be the G minor. So a bar on the 3rd fret, all strings. And the rest will be 5th on A and 5th on D. So there you have the chords D, B minor, G, F sharp minor, E minor, and G minor. So this is all about downs through the entire song. Okay, and we'll work a lot with this D, B minor, and G. And that is actually how it starts. It starts with a chorus, the first chorus. And we will play 8 downs for D, 4 downs for B minor, and 4 downs for G. So that is basically the main chord progression here in the song. So D8, B minor 4, G4 will sound like this. And when I play it a little bit with a muted feeling. That means when I do the downstrokes here with my right hand, I lean my palm here on top of the strings, okay? So that gives it a little bit muted feeling and sound. So with D8, B minor 4, G4, it sounds like this. Alright, so that is how it starts. And then we have another round of this chord progression, but for this chorus now, we'll just do 1 down on D, 1 down on B minor, and 1 down on G. Okay, and that is the first chorus. This first chorus will come back to us later again. So yeah, anyway, let's go on in the song, starting with the first verse. This one continues in the same fashion here. D8, B minor 4, and G4. That chord progression you're gonna play for 4 rounds. So that's 1 round. Second round, 3rd round, and finally we have played the first verse. There are 4 rounds of that, and that takes us to the pre-chorus, and it goes in the same way here. Almost, you will play kind of 2 rounds, but yeah, on the first round you play in the same way, D8, B minor 4, and G4. On the second round, you're just gonna play the D8. The rest will be just lyric parts. We don't have to go through it. That is the pre-chorus. Then it continues with the second chorus. It will be D, B minor, and G in the same way for 4 rounds, so nothing is new there. All right. Next comes the second verse. So here, on the second verse, we will start with one chord progression round of D1, B minor 1, and G1. Okay, so first round will be just, and the next following 3 rounds, this is a total of 4 rounds, will be, guess what, in the same way, D8, B minor 4, and G4. So that is the second verse. The first out of 4 rounds will be just 1 down per chord, and the rest will be in the same. Next comes the second pre-chorus, okay, and that is played in the same way as the first one. And the same goes with the third chorus, now played in the same way as the chorus we just looked at. 4 rounds of D, B minor, and G with the same kind of strumming, okay? After this third chorus comes a bridge part, and this is where you need the other chords here, the F sharp minor, E minor, and G minor. So it will continue the same way of playing, just down still, now different chords. So we'll go through this bridge part together now. F sharp minor, 8 downs. Then B minor 8. F sharp minor 8. And E minor 8. F sharp minor 8. B minor 8. G8. And the G minor, just 1 down. And that is the bridge parts. So just to summarize this bridge part a little bit quickly, it will be F sharp minor 8, B minor 8, F sharp minor 8, E minor 8, F sharp minor 8, B minor 8, G8, and G minor 1 down. Okay. Then follows the fourth chorus. So this fourth chorus, the first part there will be played in the same way as the first chorus. If you remember, it was D8, B minor 8, 4, G4. And then we had on the second round, D1, B minor 1, and G1. So that is the first part in this fourth chorus. And the next 2 rounds will be played in the same way as the main part here, D8, B minor 4, and G4. So a total of 4 rounds in this fourth chorus. And then it ends with a post-chorus part. And that one is played in the same way as the first chorus. Again, D8, B minor 4, G4, D1, B minor 1, and G1. And that is actually how Puth and Cook's Left and Right ends. So, very easy song to play, downs only, D, B minor, G is basically what you need for this one. So yeah, good luck with this one and play tuned.